Hey there friends, I'm back again with a new tutorial video. In this video, I will teach you how to save an image in different formats using Adobe Photoshop such as JPEG and PNG to make sure your images look stunning for every occasion. So once you've finished editing your image in Photoshop, it's time to save it. Just simply go to File, then click on Save As. To save your image as JPEG, choose JPEG from the Format drop-down menu. This format is perfect for photographs and images where you want a good balance of quality and file size. So if you need to preserve transparency or want higher quality, we'll save it as PNG. Select PNG from the Format drop-down menu. Don't forget, if your image contains transparency, make sure to check the transparency box to preserve it in the PNG file. After selecting your desired format, click on the Save button and choose the location on your computer where you want to save the image. And that's it! You now know how to save your images in different formats, ensuring they are optimized for various purposes and occasions. Thank you for learning with me today. Once again, thank you for watching this tutorial on how to save an image in different formats using Adobe Photoshop. See you on my next video. Keep experimenting with your creativity and remember, each format serves a unique purpose, so choose wisely to bring out the best in your images. Stay inspired, keep learning, and create breathtaking art that speaks to your soul. Until next time, take care and happy creating.